Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to clean your Pandora bracelets and charms. I only have a few of these items and I would like to take care of them. This is the time to clean them up and show them some love. So if you would like to know more, just keep on watching. This is my Pandora jewelry box. It has this embossed Pandora logo. And then inside, it only has a few items in it. Actually, only 2 moments bracelet with charms in it. Yeah, where's the other one? This one. And then, this is the case or the box for the rings, but I don't have rings yet. There, it's just good to keep there. And then the charm bag, and then the Pandora polishing cloths that I have a few of this, so I use this for cleaning, and that's what we're going to do now to clean these Pandora bracelets and charms. So let's do that now. Okay, now let's start. These are my 2 charm bracelets, and then with charms in it already. But we're going to take them out. Some people would like to keep their charms inside while cleaning them, but for me, I prefer to take them out so I can clean them one by one. Also, I have this lukewarm water so we can soak them up here inside. There are threads inside. There are threads in the Pandora bracelet, so we just have to twist them to take out the charms one by one. Also the bracelet in it. There. In this kind of bracelet, I have a lot of charms in it. So also there are clips. I have this cherry clip. I had a hard time taking out this cherry charm, so I have to ask assistance from my husband. Okay, just take it out. So you just have to soak this in the water for a few minutes. The last one. There. As you can see, it's now soaked in the water. We will just leave it for a few minutes. Okay, now it's been soaking in the water for a few minutes already, and now it's time to scrub them. I will be using an old toothbrush of one of my kids here. It's very soft, so it won't damage the silver of our Pandora items. So first off, I'd like to brush the Muranos and just brush them softly. Very slippery because of the soap, so you just have to be careful. It won't fall because this is a glass Murano. It will break if it's going to fall, so we just have to be careful. This is the sunflower charm. Just have to rinse this in the water, clean water. So I'll be right back. Okay, I already washed it in clean water, so we're just going to put them in dry cloth here. Okay, it's already now washed in clean water. We just have to put that in the dry cloth to dry it out. What I do is I pat the charms so the excess water will be in the towel. Then wipe one by one just to make sure there's no water inside the charms if we put them back on. Okay, now since they are now a little dry, we will be using the cleaning cloth that Pandora has. We have this one. I have the used one already, and okay, there's still some clean space in it, so we can still use it. There. We can still use this one, these clean areas, to polish. So let's do that. Now everything's clean. I will just have to put them back in the jewelry box. So at least they're no longer dirty. They are already clean, one by one. So there you go. Yay! These are now my bracelets and charms. They are now clean and sparkly. I hope you learned a few things from me, and if you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to leave them down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button for notification on our new uploads. See you in our next videos. Bye!